Today I'm taking a look at the EZARC hex shank drill bit extension adapter set. So yeah, I've got quite a selection here. It does come in this nice foam case. We got that black on red coloring. So if you pull something out, it's going to be very easy to see that something is missing. And on top of that, everything on here is well labeled. So I can see that this is the 3/8 drive swivel bit. This bit, we've got our 1/4 drive. This does swivel. And we got a 3/8 adapter on that for attaching our sockets. So we got 3 straight adapters. We got 3 swivel adapters. They do all have that little ring on there, so it's going to be good for an impact driver. We have our extendable bit holder. These are always nice. So if you put a Phillips in there, we can draw that guy out so that we'll hold on to our screw, so we don't have to try to hold our screw with our fingers and risk damaging our fingers. Very nice having this, especially if you just need to get a screw into a tight spot. This is something I've never seen. So this is a 1/4 drive to 1/4 bit holder. So if you've got a 1/4 ratchet or something like that and you want to put a Phillips on there or something like that, you can get all the benefits of the leverage of a ratchet plus the benefit of having a shallow profile. We got a couple of extensions and we got a couple more of these straight adapters. The neat thing about this, we could extend this guy way out, and that is just a push style chuck. So you just push that little collar and that will engage. We could take this, we could throw on our 1/4 to 1/4. Then we could throw on our 1/4 to 1/4 adapter, and then we could throw on another adapter. And you can make a ridiculously long adapter with this set. So very nice being able to just kind of throw everything together like that to make basically whatever the heck it is that you want. Something you definitely don't normally get. Here we have got an angle adapter. So it doesn't look quite like 90 degrees, it looks something like 80 degrees, something like that. But you can still allow you to attach your impact on there, and then you can drill into surfaces that you would normally not be able to fit a full impact on. Right, me too. Very tiny little guy. And these can definitely come in handy if you need it. Like for me, whenever I'm installing something under a shelf, like I was screwing some adapters into the bottom of a shelf, put a 1/4 shank with a drill bit on there, and you can drill little holes in there, get everything tapped and ready to go. These things really come in handy if you need them. I personally prefer using an impact whenever I can as opposed to like a hand screwdriver. And since we got a Phillips here, we can throw this guy on that. I can now get some reach, so I don't have to worry about my driver getting into the way of this bar. So extensions are pretty much a must-have. So yeah, overall, very useful adapter set.